Hi and welcome. Good morning. I just wanted to let you know that it's going to be a great day. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's well. And no, you are not allowed to back out of this video because there's going to be way too much content. So today I'm actually eating out. So hopefully we're having coffee together. And this, the best. The absolute best. So I've had the opportunity to do a little more traveling, and it's gotten to the point now where I get all excited every time I get to go somewhere. I also wanted to mention that I have started doing my photography again, and I've taken multiple pictures and I've done 2 or 3 videos. If you look back at a couple of them, if you haven't already seen them, I suggest that you go back and actually look at them because there's a lot of footage and it's definitely worth seeing. Now, one of the videos that I just recently did, I was actually looking at the moon, and I'm pretty sure it was Jupiter, because when I listened to my astrologer and my the one that I watch that does astrology and tarot cards and what have you, they were telling me that what's in retrograde, and then they were telling me that when they looked at the moon, that the closest planet right now is Jupiter. So I was looking at Jupiter and didn't even know it. It was cool. I thought it was like the North Star. I mean, it was like that close to the moon. So, yep, I'm going to go ahead and start the video. Please don't back out. I hope you enjoy the footage that I do share with you today. And please comment below. I really am always open to comments. And any suggestions, or what was your experience if you were at the zoo, and what was the last zoo that you went to? Just comment below and let me know. And like I said, look out for my photography. I'm going to actually start. I have the domain name, but I have to actually start the photography. I started a store. I'm going to put my photographs on certain merchandise, so I'm definitely excited all excited about that. Christmas time is coming. Thanksgiving's coming. I'm going to be taking a couple fall pictures, putting them on either cups, or I think they have like 2 or 3 new pieces of merchandise for autumn, for fall. So I will leave the link down below in another video when I get it activated, which will be very soon, next couple days. So yeah, I'm just watching these little birds right now. They know I have food and they're waiting for me to drop things. So anyway, so back to going to watch the video, the rest of the video with all my footage. I hope you guys enjoy. So here we go.